Tutorial 97 in drawing. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the section views. As you remember in your course in the school, the engineering drawing, what the meaning of the section cut or section view. We have this drawing we made in the previous tutorials. So now let's show you how to use the section view. Let's just make some distance for or some place to the section views. Let's here activate the frames. So let's just make some distance to show you the offset views. So now let's go to the insert. You know, from the views projections we already used some of the important features or icons here, and here in sections you have different type of section views. So now we're going to show you the difference between the offset view section and the offset section cut, and also you can reach the section view from the icon here. So let's first choose the offset section view and make a center cut line for this part. You can here make this line, cutting line, and here you can move, double click. You are able to see this view from your part, and here we made the section view. So now I'm going to, also you remember from the school notations, this arrow and the A, which shows the direction of the cut, and here you can see section view AA, and here is the AA. So that as a repetition to what you learned in school. And now let's try to use the offset cut. And the difference between this offset view and the offset cut, that in the offset cut it doesn't show you what is after the level of the cut. For example, this is the offset view. You can see here, if you notice, there's a line showing you that is this cylinder is closed or have edge. But when we use let's activate the offset cut and let's make another line, be sure in the middle, and let's double click outside. You notice up here it didn't show you that intersection line, so it kind of tricky that you might think this is two rectangular extruded blocks and it's open in the middle, and here is the real drawing that show you that is a cylinder in here. So that is the difference between the offset section cut and section view, and they are having some uses when there are a need to know what is intersecting on the same cut or showing the rest of the lines. So this is the idea of using the intersection, and here you notice the B cut or section view. You will know that is the B here also.